Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play an absolute soul classic by Mr. Wilson Pickett. This is called Mustang Sally. I'm sure you're going to love this one. It's very well known and very popular. If you do like it, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me. I'd be really grateful, and it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar based tutorials. I'm going to be showing you two different ways on how to play this song today, so be sure to stick around to the end. So with all that said and done, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, what we're going to do, we're going to be up here on the 8th fret for a C chord. Okay, so let me hold that up to the camera for you. So it's just a C major bar chord. There we go. And that's barring all 6 strings on the 8th fret. Then we're going to be up on the 9th fret, the G string with our 2nd finger. And then on the 10th fret, the A string. We're going to have our 3rd finger, and then just below on the D string we're going to have our little finger. So there we go. That's a C major chord, and the song is pretty much based around a blues shuffle. If you listen in the background, you can hear the rhythm guy playing that. And what's going on? So we got a C. Then we're going to go down for an F, which is, again, still staying on the 8th fret with our bar, but then dropping down with our 3rd finger to cover the 4, 3, 2 and 1, but don't really play the 1st string, the E string. We're just going to bar down for an F, and then back to a C again. And then we're going to slide down to a G, which is the same shape, but on the 3rd fret. And then we're gonna 2nd fret, and then an F. Then we wait, and then we come back up for a C chord again. Right, so we've got that kind of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, the riff. Let me show you the riff. So what goes on is we want this note, which is the 10th fret of the D string. But what we're going to do, we're going to play the A string and the D string together. We're going to go and then play the A string again, then take our little finger and 3rd finger off, which then would obviously bring us over to our 8th fret 1st finger. So we've got, so we just take you through that again. So we've got, and again, so up to the camera so you can see. So we've got A string, D string. We're going to be, so we've got them two, but predominantly you do hit the A string and the D string, but you want the D string to sound out more. So you got, there we go. Right, every now and again what you can do, after you've done that phrase, you can slide up from the 7th to, so from the B up to the C. So you just strike down once on the 7th fret and then slide up. So you've got. See what I mean? So it makes it more funky. Then we drop down to an F. Right, so the F is, again, like I said, barred, and then we're going to be with the 3rd finger on the D string, G string, B string, and E string. But we're going to be striking on the D string and the G string. So we get the, and then back on the D string, then lift off, playing again, just playing the D and the G string, and then land back down with the bar. Again, you can slide up from, so drop down and you can slide back up to the F again. See that? From the E to the F. And then back to the C chord. And G. So G, F sharp, F. Oh, gonna be wrapping your pen down. Sally, on that C. So. Down to the F. Then down to G. G. Da ba da 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 dum 2 3 4. Right, another way that's quite interesting how to play Mustang Sally is you can do it as part of a C7 first position open chord. Sounds quite cool. So we've got, and then what I want you to do is lift your 3rd finger off and play down on the 3rd fret of the E string. Then we're going to put the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the A string and then come back for a C7 again. So we got. Down, 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 and down, and down, and down, and down. That good rhythm. Here we go. C7. We go down for an F, or you can, if you want to do a bar chord there, you can do a nice F7 would be nice. Back to the C7. So there we have it, Mustang Sally by Wilson Pickett. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, please click like and subscribe for me. And a big thank you to those who have subscribed to the channel already. Thanks so much, guys. Really appreciate it. So I will see you back here in the next video. Look after yourselves. See you then. Thank you. Bye-bye.